Okay, I'm going to show you how to use Calendar as a homework planner. I know that a lot of our kids are needing that this year, and it's really actually pretty simple to set up, and you can set it up pretty quickly to the point where all they would have to do is click on their calendar dates as they go through the year and add homework assignments each day. So I'm going to start with the Create button again. And I'm going to create a repetitive event, my first hour class. So I'm going to do period 1. I have math with Voss. I'm going to start this on Monday the 12th. And each day I have math from 8:20 until 9:07, and I'm going to repeat this event. So I'm going to click repeat. It repeats weekly every week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And I'm just going to tell it never to end for now, and done. Okay, the kids could enter the location if they wanted. It's really not necessary. You could put a room number here. And then this is the spot where they're going to be able to add their homework assignments each day. Over here, guests can be added who are able to view the calendar. So if you have a particular student whose parents really need to be able to see the assignments each day, that would be a place where you could enter their email address and then share the calendar with that parent or parents. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. I am going to choose a color for math so that it sticks out from other classes. I'm just going to pick green for that and then save. Okay, so Voss has filled in period 1 for the rest of the year. And again, when I want to enter a homework assignment, so let's say that Monday I have an assignment to watch a particular math video, I can click on the event, edit the event, and then I can write homework, watch math video on proportions, or whatever else it is, and then save. And only this event. I don't want that homework to be every day, just today. So save, and then we're good to go. Okay, you'll see it's not in the next day's assignment. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and add period 2. So I'm just going to go through that same process of creating an event. I'm going to call it period 2. I have science with Millis. And I'm going to start it again on the 12th, a Monday. We meet for science every day from 9:10 until 9:55. And then repeat every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Ends never, and then done. And then I'm going to pick another color for science. I'm going to go ahead and pick this green color. Okay, and again, I'll have that space for homework as I need it later on, and then save. Okay, I just want to look at the calendar. Now science has filled in. Okay, create my next class. This is going to be period 3. I have one of my electives. I have Espanol or Spanish with Senora Roque, and I meet every day. Start that on Monday. We meet third hour from 9:58 a.m. until 10:43 a.m. And I'm going to repeat it again every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, never ending, and done. And again, there's my spot for homework. If you also have, if you happen to have electronic files that kids need to do for homework, a document you've shared with them or something, the students can add an attachment there. So if they're able to get it from your homework page, they could add that attachment here and then know that's what they need to work on tonight also. So that's kind of fun. And then again, save. Okay, so period 3. Oops, I forgot to give it a color, so I edit the event. I'm going to pick this lovely orange color. I'm going to save it and all events. Okay, so now Spanish has that. Okay, go ahead and create again. Now I'm going to do periods 4 and 5, which are my ELA block. With Knowles, and 4th hour begins at 10:46. Lunch is in the middle, and then the whole thing ends at 12:50. And again, I'm going to start on the 12th. I'm going to repeat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, never ending, and done. I'm going to give ELA a color dot of red and save. Okay, create my next one. See, it doesn't take very long. I mean, this is the most, takes, I don't know, 20-25 minutes to set up your calendar for the whole year, and then you're good to go. Period 6 is next, and I have another elective, band with Hamilton, and again, starting on Monday the 12th, we meet from 12:53 until 1:38, and then I repeat every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and never ending, done. I'm going to choose a color again. I'll choose this blue, and then maybe we have homework that's the same every day in band. Maybe it's practice 30 minutes each night. If that's the case, then you can just fill that in for the whole year right now. And go ahead and save. Okay, and band is filled out. Go ahead and create our next class, which is period 7, World History with Eggleston, and again starting on the 12th of Monday, going from 1:41 till 2:26. And then repeat again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, never ending, done. And I'm going to choose a color for that and save. Okay, and then finally create 8th period. PE Health with Leet, starting on Monday. We meet 8th hour every day from 2:29 to 3:15. The biggest mistake I always make is trying to put the range of dates in that first box, and I need to break myself of that habit. 3:15, and then repeating every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, never ending, done, and give that another color of its own, and save. Okay, so now when I'm using this as a student, I still need to go in and create those funny times for Pug. Late start, I'm just going to leave alone. It only happens once a month. We still go to all of the classes, so I'm not going to worry about that. So now what happens is when you're looking at this from a daily basis, so I'm going to go ahead and look at this on Monday now. I can see my day again, and as I work through the day, I just left click. I'm going to enter my homework assignment here and save. Okay, so go to the next class, left click, enter that homework assignment and save. Left click, enter the homework assignment and save. There's also an electronic version of Calendar as an app that students can use on their cell phones. So they can be doing the same thing on those phones as they go through the day. I would suggest setting it up online and then moving to the phone, because that's a tool that they have with them all the time. Because it's a little tedious, this initial setting up. The only thing that really stinks is that you can't really copy a calendar yet. That's not an option. So I was, thinking at first, oh, I'll create a homework calendar, like I did here, and I could save, just make a template and all the kids could copy it, but that's not a possibility at this point. So they will need to still create a calendar under My Calendar, and then go ahead and view just that, display only this one, and then they're going to have to do a little bit of that front end work, but then they'll be good for the rest of the year. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. If you have any questions, let me know. But I think, again, this can be a solution to the kids who do not have planners at this point. And it's really a solution. I think that they'll use this in their real life too. So they can have multiple calendars going on. Many people use 3 or 4 calendars. You may be doing that yourself. So it's a way to keep ourselves organized, and we can take those phones with us anywhere, which means we have the tool available at all times, unlike a planner, which can be left at school. So again, let me know if you have any questions.